Need to get your PayPal funds into your FNB account in South Africa? It's easier than ever. Today I'll show you the quickest way to withdraw your money using just the FNB app. Let's jump right in. Open your FNB app and log in. On the home screen, scroll down until you find the Forex icon. Tap it to see your currency options. Once you are on the Forex page, look for the PayPal button. Now, simply tap on PayPal Withdrawal. This is where you'll start the transfer. If you haven't linked your account yet, don't worry. Just tap to link PayPal profile, follow the prompts to sign in to your PayPal account, and authorize. It only takes a minute. Now enter the amount you want to withdraw in USD and select the FNB account where you want the funds to go. Double check your details, hit confirm, and you are done. You'll see the exchange rate and the final SAR amount on your screen. Your funds will usually hit your FNB account within 3 to 5 business days. And that's it.